Hi everyone, this is Ariana Antonio for AVF 1311, and this is my week 2 demo. So this week I went ahead and pulled the Instagram API in as well as a movie database API. So here in the Android emulator we'll go to Instagram. I had some CSS styling issues this week, so this doesn't look good. For some weird reason, my actual value for my button would not go inside my button. I've made the button exactly the way I've made it for months now, and on all my devices, the actual submit label, I can't control it. I can't change the color. I can't move it. I don't know. I'm gonna have to work on that. But anyway, so here we can search Instagram by tag. So I'll go ahead and search NASA. And of course it's slow. And I'm gonna have to play some more with the design on this one because it's stretching it. I do have responsive image design set up for this, but it's still stretching it for some reason. But so you can see it's pulling Instagram pictures based on the tag. It's displaying the username of the person who took the photo as well as their what they wrote about it, what their, I don't know, not their comments, but what they actually wrote about the picture. So that's the Instagram API. I also have it set so that on a smaller screen it's supposed to be 1 column. On a tablet screen it's supposed to be 2 columns, but for some reason, as you'll see when I pull out the iPad, it didn't make 2 columns. So that's some more things I'm going to have to work with. Oh, this is already in there. But so anyway, I guess you can see I searched for Fight Club, hit the button. I'm not sure where these undefines are popping up. As you see, they're not popping up every time. They're not part of my LI, otherwise they would be styled like everything else in the LI, so that's more that I have to play with, as well as it's duplicating stuff. So I still have obviously some work to do with the movie database API as well. So that's a little frustrating, but at least having it there, pulling the data dynamically is cool. And during our mashup, I noticed that there was an API for Redbox, so I think that would be a good tie-in to use your GPS and find a Redbox location so you can rent a movie after potentially searching for it in this app and looking at the synopsis. So that might go for that. So then here is my iPad device. And it looks exactly the same. You can go, come on, to Instagram. This time I'll search cats because everybody loves cat photos. And as you see, those load as well. These ones I did do responsive design on this to make the images smaller because even though I pulled in thumbnails, they were for some reason being really big on this, I think because of the max width. So I made them smaller so that then it could make 2 columns nicely. It just didn't make 2 columns, so that's still more I have to work with, but I was attempting to do some responsive design on this. It just is a little bit more complicated than I expected. So then we can go back out and go back to the movie search now. And let's search Serenity, one of my favorite movies, and there you go. It pops up with movie information for Serenity. So that's that. Obviously, I'm pretty sure, design-wise, I didn't meet all the requirements because some of my CSS is not working very well. As well, yeah, and I know I definitely have more responsive stuff to do. But I'm happy that I got the APIs pulled in and the data displaying. So yeah, so that's it for this week. I'll continue working and hopefully get all that stuff fixed by next week. See you then. Thanks. Bye.